Hello friends, in this video we will going to see alternate angles. Now alternate angles are also divided in a two part. One is called as interior alternate angles and the other one is called as exterior alternate angle. So in this video basically we will going to do interior alternate angles. So here we have a line T which is intersecting line L and M at point G and H. So there are many angles formed. We have to search for interior alternate angles. The word interior we have to be very careful. See here, again the two rectangular shade portion we have placed between the line L and M. As you know, the name of angles as interior, and a vertical rectangular shade are put across the transversal as you see in the diagram. So vertical rectangular shade have a common portion with the rectangular shade lies between line L and M, and we obtained one angle as FGH and the other angle as GHC. So let us find out whether it is interior alternate angles or not. For that we need to see the definition. A pair of angles. So we have two angles, as I said, angle FGH and angle GHC, which are on the opposite side of a transversal. So we should check it out. The transversal line is T, angle FGH and angle GHC. Oh, they are lying on the opposite side of transversal. First condition is fulfilled. Now you can see the two angle which has come. They are on the opposite side of the transversal T. And their arms on transversal. So if you see the angle FGH, their arm is on a transversal T, that is arm GH, and if you take angle CHG, the other arm, that is HG, ray HG is lying on a transversal T. O shows the up in a opposite direction. Of course the FGH direction is downside and GHC direction is upward side. Therefore we can say it is a pair of interior alternate angles. I hope one pair is clear. So let us go for the second pair. Again rectangular shade has to be put across the transversal. Again you will find the two angles which are having common with the interior rectangles placed between the line L and M. You can see here, that is angle BGH and angle GHE. They also form Z alphabet. If you have noticed, the Z alphabet formed between the two lines, they are form the pair of interior alternate angles. I hope it is clear. See you with the next video.